Hello friends! In previous video I showed you how to make covers for vintage scrapbook album. Today we are going to make that beautiful shaker element that is on the front cover. List of materials I'm using will be on the screen before the tutorial. Start with gluing together 7 wooden rings. I get mine from Etsy. These ones measure 23 cm in diameter and are 3 mm thick. Make strips from artificial leather. Glue them to the outer and inner part of the circle. Make chipboard circle with diameter of 22 cm. This will be base for our shaker. You can decorate it with scrapbook paper or rice paper. Glue 7 wooden rings on top of it. Next we are making plaster casts for decoration. Take ceramic plaster or other medium that can be used with flexible mold. Prepare it following the instructions on the packaging. Pour it into the mold and leave to harden. The one I'm using takes between 20 and 40 minutes, but I usually leave it longer than that. First I'm applying base coat in mint color. You can use embossing tool to make the paint dry faster. Then I'm going over it with one layer of Finnabar's acrylic paint in shade Mermaid Sparkle. Apply emerald green paint in spots and spray it with water mist so it blends a bit with the bottom layer. For gold details, use Finnabar's Dragon Eye, wait for paint to dry and top it with vintage gold wax. I made one smaller shaker without the bottom part that will be inside the large one. For decoration I'm using crushed glass stones in metallic brown color. Top part is made of one wooden ring with diameter of 23 cm and artificial leather. Cut small triangles on outer and inner side of a ring. This way it will be easier to wrap it around the wood. Don't cut all the way to the ring. Leave a few millimeters between end of a cut and wooden ring. If triangles look over to the inner side of the circle, make them a bit shorter. Use liquid glue to wrap wooden ring with an artificial leather. When you're done with the outer part, continue with the inner one. transparent layer of shaker is made from acetate. Remove the protective layer that is on the bottom and apply hot glue to wooden ring. Then remove the top protective layer from acetate and glue one wooden ring on top of it. Use decorative string to cover the gap between two parts. Top part is decorated with rice paper, plaster cast, gold acrylic paint, glass stones and Nuvo crystal drops. I hope you liked today's video. In the next one I'm going to show you how to make all the pages and elements for the vintage album. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.